Before you buy anything, ask yourself one question, and it's going to save you thousands of dollars. It's called the $1 rule. Here's how it works. For every dollar something costs, wait that many hours before buying it. A $30 shirt? Wait 30 hours. A $200 gadget? Wait 200 hours. That's about 8 days. A $1,000 laptop? Give it 40 days. Most impulse purchases feel urgent in the moment, but 80% of the time, after waiting, you don't even want it anymore. The craving dies. Your wallet survives. This one rule alone has helped people cut their unnecessary spending by hundreds, sometimes thousands, every single year. We live in a world designed to make you spend fast. One-click checkout, flash sales, countdown timers, all of it is engineered to bypass your brain. The $1 rule gives your brain time to think. So next time you're about to check out, stop. Do the math, wait it out. Your future self will thank you. Follow for more money rules that actually work.